Hello, dear viewers. I want to believe everything is going on very fine with you. Well, I want to call your attention to this very image displayed here. Well, how do you call it? It is called, of course, it's not a sachet of Regal. No, it is a sachet of Regal. A sachet of Regal. And that is it. Now there are rules governing the pronunciations of words. And those rules are as a result of the origins the word emerged from. The origins control the pronunciation of words. And that's exactly what I will be exposing to you in this training. It's free. Just take that from me, but don't forget the learning is very important. So join me in the class, know the rules behind the pronunciation, and I am wishing you the best. Of course, I know you will never go empty handed. You will have something to note at the end of the lesson or of the training. Bye bye.